Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make tea cold brew. First, let's understand what cold brew tea is and why it's a fantastic option. Unlike traditional hot brewing, cold brewing uses time, not heat, to extract flavor. This method results in a naturally sweeter, less acidic, and incredibly smooth beverage. It's perfect for a refreshing drink on a warm day, and the process is surprisingly simple. Now let's gather our ingredients. The star of the show is your loose leaf tea. While any tea works, a good quality loose leaf will yield the best results. Next, the ratio is crucial. Aim for 1 part tea to 8 parts cold water. For example, if you use 1/4 cup of tea, you'll need 2 cups of water. Always use filtered water. It truly makes a difference in the purity and taste of your cold brew. With your ingredients ready, let's dive into the simple brewing process. First, combine your loose leaf tea and cold, filtered water in a clean pitcher or jar. Make sure the tea leaves are fully submerged. Then, place the container in your refrigerator and let it steep for 8 to 12 hours. The longer it steeps, the stronger the flavor. Once steeped, use a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth to remove all the tea leaves. Now for the best part, serving and enjoying your homemade cold brew tea. Pour it over a generous amount of ice for a truly refreshing experience. You can add a slice of lemon, a sprig of mint, or a touch of sweetener if you like. For storage, keep any remaining cold brew in a sealed container in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh for up to 5 days. And hey, while you're making your space smell great with tea, why not make your car smell amazing too? Check the description for a link to little trees, black ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.